Sendinblue Marketing Automation Tool Review. Usage Experience. Sendinblue is a powerful marketing automation tool designed for businesses looking to streamline their email campaigns, manage customer relationships, and enhance their marketing strategy without breaking the bank. Its standout features include advanced email marketing, SMS campaigns, CRM integration, transactional email management, and detailed analytics. For small to medium-sized businesses, Sendinblue offers an all-in-one platform with user-friendly interfaces and automation workflows that save time and optimize engagement. The tool is ideal for businesses aiming to simplify customer communication while still delivering highly targeted and effective campaigns. From my experience, the email editor is intuitive, offering drag-and-drop functionality that even beginners can use to craft professional emails. The segmentation feature allows precise targeting based on user behavior, demographics, or purchase history, ensuring messages hit the right audience at the right time. One of the highlights is its marketing automation workflows. Setting up automated email sequences, like welcome series or cart abandonment emails, is seamless and straightforward. For businesses looking to personalize communication, the dynamic content feature adjusts email content based on recipient profiles, improving conversion rates. Sendinblue also excels with its CRM functionality, helping you manage and nurture leads directly within the platform. It integrates well with tools like WordPress, Shopify, and Zapier, enabling smooth data flow across your tech stack. The platform supports SMS marketing, which is increasingly valuable for reaching customers instantly. Real-time analytics provide insights into campaign performance, open rates, and click-through rates, allowing for continuous improvement. In terms of pricing, Sendinblue is highly competitive. Its free plan includes unlimited contacts and 300 emails per day, making it an excellent starting point for smaller teams. Paid plans scale based on email volume, ensuring flexibility as your business grows. However, the tool does have limitations, such as a less advanced design editor compared to premium competitors, and it may not be ideal for enterprise-level businesses with complex needs. Overall, Sendinblue is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses that need a reliable, easy-to-use marketing automation tool. Its range of features, affordability, and focus on automation makes it a solid investment for improving customer engagement and driving conversions. If you're looking for a tool to simplify and enhance your marketing efforts, Sendinblue is well worth trying.